Hey guys, Josh Borden here with Royal RV Center in beautiful Middlebury, Indiana. We're having a little bit of an Arctic freeze outside right now, which gives me some time to address some things I want to kind of talk to you guys about. So we do a lot of business. I'd say 85 to 90% of my customers come from at least 600 miles or more away from here. Why is that, you may ask? Just like I say in all my other videos, we are in the RV capital of the world. Come buy them where they're built. You will not be disappointed. The reason I say that is because we don't have to pay shipping. We don't have to pay freight. We are a family-run dealership. We don't have these big expensive fees like a lot of the other dealerships have. So that passes on the savings on to you guys. If you were to search any of our models that we carry in stock, 99.9% of the time, there's nobody in the country that's going to beat my price. Just this past couple weeks, I've had a couple of my customers who I've sold campers or motorhomes to who are quite a ways away from us, have their local dealers kind of tell my customers that we were lying to them. Oh, there's no way they're selling it for that. There's going to be a lot of extra fees. There's going to be this, there's going to be that, and there's not. And that's why my customers are coming and making the trip to come pick up their RV from us, or some of them are having them shipped to them. Anybody who's anybody in the RV industry, they are built within a 20-mile radius of this desk right here. So that means I don't have to pay the shipping that these guys out west or out east or wherever have to pay it. We don't have the big, huge fees. We have a $199 dock fee and a $15 titling fee. And that $15 titling fee, if you are out of state and you're paying cash and there'll be no lien on your RV, that fee is waived. So we have lots of benefits to purchasing a camper for us on top of, say you're coming in from out of town to pick up your camper. As I said, every one of these that we carry, they're built within a 20-mile radius of me. I can line up factory tours for you at the plant where they're built. There's lots of advantages to that. One of the other advantages I want to talk on is we are part of the Route 66 dealer network. What's that mean to you? What that means to you is, since most of our customers come from so far away, and a lot of them aren't going to be, like, if they have issues, they can't come to us to get that fixed. And I've heard from multiple customers on the nightmares of trying to get their RV worked on from a dealership that they didn't buy it from. It takes them forever to get it into the place to get service. People don't want to work on it because they didn't buy it from there. That's why we became part of the Route 66 dealer network. Behind me is a map. This is a little outdated map. I got to get an updated one. But up here, that shows all those yellow road signs you see on there in the United States, Canada, some right there in Mexico, Texas border. Those are all Route 66 dealers. And there are more, lots more since that poster has been made a couple years ago. If you are traveling the nation in your RV and you have some kind of issue, since you bought your RV from us, and we are a Route 66 dealer, you can take your camper to any Route 66 dealer nationwide, Canada, Mexico, and they are guaranteed to get you in within 24 hours of you calling to make that appointment. Also, if, let's say, something happens and you can't get, like, for some reason you can't get your camper there, as long as you're within 100 miles of one of those dealerships, they will come to you. That is free of charge. But when you buy that camper from me, that's included. Since we're a Route 66 dealer, you get that. That's one of the benefits from buying from us, on top of the low fees and the lower pricing. Route 66 also has some additional benefits that you can sign up for, where you get like discounted rates to RV camps, discounted rates on parts and stuff like that. But those are programs that they offer separately that you can log on to their website, and if you wanted to sign up for one of their other affiliated programs, you could do that. But as far as getting work done on your rig, that comes free of charge, since you bought from me and us being a Route 66 dealer. I hope this video is a little bit informative for you. Once again, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on any of the brands that I I sell, please reach out to myself or Kurt Smith here at Royal RV Center. We would be more than happy to earn your business. Once again, guys, if you need me, call me. Do yourself a favor. Come buy them where they're built. You will not be disappointed. I'll talk to you later.